Hi, I'm Heidi and welcome to Window Makers and our Centre of Design. At Window Makers we manufacture high-end residential joinery and we have a variety of suites that can do that for you. From our residential joinery range under the First Windows and Doors banner to a thermally broken suite. We have our Metro series for high performance and of course our architectural series, which is often specified in the high-end architectural homes that we make. We have a design centre at our premises in 79 Forge Road and we would love to have you come in and see the product that we make, feel the quality and look how your project can be customised to your requirements. We'd invite you to come in and meet with one of our project managers at 79 Forge Road in Silverdale. When you've had your plans drawn up for your special project, we would love to sit down and work with you so you can actually customise how you're going to live in your home, in your space. At that stage, it's a perfect time to come in, bring your plans, perhaps bring your builder, and we can talk about the ideas that will make your project unique to your family.